Hey everybody, we're at 1,000 Stones Waterfall. Last night at about midnight, I found out that somebody lost their drone in the waterfall and it was too deep for them to recover it. So we're going to dive down and try to find it. I rushed over here because I thought it happened yesterday, and actually it turns out that it happened over 2 months ago and the video was only posted yesterday. So we'll see if we can find it or not. Our chances are low. One reason is to just recover the drone. Another reason is because the batteries have some quite harsh chemicals in them that we don't want to release into this environment. So if we can recover it, even if the drone doesn't work, I would still consider that a big success. So maybe 10% chance. Let's go see what happens. It's cold. Not very deep though. This look about like the middle?
Yeah.
First try! Woo! First try!
Didn't take very long.
That was amazing! Wow! Okay. Here it is, everyone. A Mavic Pro. So, somehow I just dived down and got it on the very first try. I can't make that stuff up. The next step is to take it back, dry it off, and see if we can't get this working.
Okay, now let's...
All 4 propellers are intact. Did I turn it on? Just kidding. Let's take the battery out. Oh, I can't even get the battery out. Stuck.
Now let's do a setup shot with the GoPro.
You can put it back in there?
Put it back in there and go dive for it.
Okay.
I mean, why not? We're here. Might as well make more than a 20-second video. Get a little extra footage.
This is the same thing that happened with those glasses. Like there was a guy we saw jump off the cliff at the beach, and like we saw him from the beach, and he came back and he's like, I lost my glasses. So I swam out there and said, okay, with my buddies, like, does this look about where he jumped? I'm like, yeah, okay. So I'll dive down and see how deep it is. Went down there to feel the bottom, couldn't even see because it's like sandy down there. My hands just touched glasses and came up. Like
10 seconds.
Yeah.
Done.
Oh, battery's stuck. See, there's some corrosion here, and there's also some rust and corrosion around the motors. I really don't think it's gonna fly again, but we'll try. SD card. The
you can get something off of that.
Yeah, the leads, the SD card, the plastic is like all weird, but the leads actually look quite clean. There's not corrosion on them. The gold, I guess. This one has water in it. So we cleaned off the battery terminals, got a new battery. See if it powers on. It's warm. And it smells like fish.
This for sure, yeah.
It's moving. The gimbal is calibrating, but it's also supposed to make a sound when it turns on, which is not happening. But it's definitely getting power. I think it's dead. We tried. Moment of silence for the drone. So after about 5 minutes of trying to get it to work, we decided to just give up. The drone had already been replaced by DJI for free, and the owner was just as happy to put it on his Christmas tree as a reminder to fly more carefully. However, when I posted this on Instagram, something interesting happened. Many people came forward and said, oh, I lost my drone here. I lost my drone there. There's a GoPro in the wormhole. There's a Mavic in Flying Dragon Waterfall. So I decided to create a new Facebook group called Taiwan Drone and Camera Recovery so that we can help everyone get their electronics back. If you've lost your phone or camera in a waterfall, there is a low probability that it's still working. However, there is a high probability that the SD card is still good and you can recover your photos because those things are nearly indestructible. It's not just about getting your device back though. The chemicals and metals and electronics are very toxic and very, very bad for the environment. They disrupt the ecosystem in a lot of ways. So it's important that we retrieve any batteries or electronics that have fallen into the rivers. Even if you think that it's impossible and there's no chance that your device can be retrieved, I suggest that you post it in this new group. I see on Instagram and Facebook the photos that everybody's posting, and there are some people out there who are very, very lehigh. Even if you can't get it and I can't get it, there's somebody who can. There are people who can free dive down to 10 meters and get it, and there are people who can scale a cliff to find it. Adventurers, I think that we kind of look at these things like a treasure hunt. So it's fun for us and it's good for the environment, and perhaps you can get your device back. Because my Chinese is not very good, I'm also looking for people to help moderate this group. So if you're interested in becoming a moderator of the group, please send me a message. I don't really know what to expect, but I hope that perhaps the community can come together and help clean up the environment and also retrieve people's property. So, thanks a lot. I hope you participate, and let me know what you think in the comments below.